Welcome to our channel Maths Club. Here we will solve mathematics problem in very simple way, which will help you in competitive exam or in future. And this will be very interesting. So please subscribe the channel. In previous video, you learnt about numbers and its types and also the addition of consecutive odd numbers. But today I will show you the addition of consecutive even numbers. So we all know about the even numbers. Which numbers are divided by 2 is known as even numbers. Like that 2, 4, 6, 22, 38, 58, 66, etc. are even numbers. So what is consecutive even numbers? Consecutive even numbers are those even numbers that follow each other and they have a difference of 2 between every two numbers. That means 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 all are consecutive even numbers because the difference between 2 and 4 is 2, 4 and 6 is 2, 6 and 8 is 2 and 8 and 10 is 2. So what is consecutive even numbers? Which even numbers follows each other? Which even numbers follows each other? That means 2 and 4, 6 follows each other. The difference between 4 and 2 is 2, 6 and 4 is 2. But 2 and 6 is not consecutive even numbers because the difference between 2 and 6 is not 2. The difference between 6 and 2 is 4. And 6 and 8 is 2. So we cannot say that 2, 6 and 8 are consecutive even numbers. This is not right. This is incorrect. 2, 4, 6 are consecutive even numbers because the difference between two numbers is 2. 2 and 4 is 2, 4 and 6 is 2. Now the addition of consecutive even numbers, like that 2 plus 4 plus 6 is equal to 12. You can easily calculate that. 2 plus 4 is equal to 6, 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. You can easily calculate that. But 222 plus 224 plus 226 plus plus 486. What is the answer? If you use calculator, it takes some time, but in competitive exam you cannot use calculator. So what will you do? I will show you the shortest trick. All of you are requested to watch the video till the end so that you can understand the tricks easily. Though you are facing any problem after the video, please go to the comment section and comment your problem. You can also knock me on Instagram. I will try to solve it. Now the tricks. 2 plus 4 plus 6. 2 plus 4 plus 6 is equal to 12. You all know that. Now I will show you the tricks. 2, 4, 6. The tricks is number of terms. Total number of terms. Total. In multiply middle number. So total number of terms 2, 4, 6. Total number of terms is 3. Multiply middle number. 2, 4 and 6. The middle number is 4. So the answer will be 3 multiply 4 is equal to 12. By these tricks you can easily calculate all this also. Now 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8. What will be the answer? 2 plus 4 6, 6 plus 6 12, 12 plus 8 is equal to 20. by calculating you can easily say that, but the trick says that total number of terms is 1 2 3 4. Total number of terms is 4, and the middle number, what will be the middle number for this case? You can say that you can see that here are two middle numbers, 4 and 6. 4 and 6. So the middle numbers will be middle of these two numbers. So the middle of 4 and 6 is 5. So number of terms is 4 and the middle number is 5. So 4 multiply 5 is 20. But this series is too short. But when the series will be the big, like that 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus dot 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 plus 50, what will be the answer? So for the trick says that we need to know what is the total number of terms. 2 4 6 dot 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 50, what will be the total number of terms? The total number of terms will be last number 50 minus 5 first number, last number minus first number, divided by 2 plus 1. So the answer will be 48 by 2 plus 1 is equal to 24 plus 1 is equal to 25. So the number of terms is 25. Now the question is why we divided the subtraction by 2, because between 2 to 50 there are also odd numbers same as the even numbers, 2 3 4 5 6. So 3 5, this is odd number, these are odd numbers. From 2 to 50 there are also odd numbers same as even numbers. So we divided this subtraction by 2. And another question is why we add 1 from this, because it started 2. When we count this, we cannot count 2, we never count 2, so we add 1, like that. If anyone says that the difference between 4 and 2, we minus 4 minus 2, the answer will be 4 minus 2, so 2. If anyone says from 2 to 4, what is the terms, total terms? So you will say 2, but it is not correct. The correct answer will be 2 3 4, 2 3 4, 3. The number of terms will be 3. Why 3? Because 2 is also a number of terms in this series, so we add 1. Now we see that the number of terms 25. Now the middle number, so the middle number will be less than 50. So middle number will be 50 minus 25 is equal to 25, and the middle number also will be greater than 2. So 2 plus 25 is equal to 27. So the middle number will be middle of these two, 26. So the sum, that means the sum will be total number of terms 25 multiply middle number means 26. The answer will be 650. Now 222 plus 224 plus 226 plus dot 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 plus 486. So the number of terms last number minus first number divided by 2 plus 1 is equal to 133. So the number of turns is 133. So the middle number will be less than 486. And also the middle number will be greater than 222. (353) and 355. So the middle number will be middle of these two, 354. So the sum 222, 224, 226. This sum will be number of turns is 133 into 354. The answer will be 47082. You can calculate the big series easily by this trick. If you are not subscribed our channel, then subscribe it and press the bell icon so that you can get the notification while we upload our video. You can also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram ID is in video description. Thank you.